it has been mentioned that by the end of this week, we hope for you to have an idea of what you want your argumentative essay to be about. So I'm going to model brainstorming ideas here, and I started by making a list of things that I'm passionate about, and I would love for you to be able to start by doing the same thing. I think it's a good idea for getting your interests on the page, and it's always a more compelling argument when you are writing about what interests you. So the first thing you need to do is go through and actually get rid of the things that would be good for a persuasive argument instead of argumentative writing. So when we talk about a persuasive essay or an argumentative essay, sometimes we use those terms interchangeably, but there is technically a difference. You should have learned about that last week, the difference between the two. But essentially, persuasive things are things that are your preference and you would write in order to persuade someone to believe what you believe. They don't usually come with a lot of evidence or statistics and data and things like that. So while these are three things that I am very passionate about, they are not things that can be backed up by research, data, things like that. So I need to remove them from my list because they would make good persuasive writings, but not necessarily good argumentative essay topics. Now, when I go from there, I can sort of talk about these two can be brought together because when I think about my dogs and I think about things that I would be willing to argue for them or on their behalf, I am very passionate about the idea of adopting dogs instead of getting them from breeders. So that would be something that I'd be willing to argue. And then also something that's super relevant right now is that you should, sorry, you know that my multitasking skills are terrible, fostering a dog during the shelter in place is a great idea because you are at home and they need a home and you are not necessarily committing and saying, I'm going to adopt this dog for the rest of my livelihood. But you are essentially just saying, I may as well have some companionship while I'm sitting here at home, and I think that that is an argument that I am well equipped to make. These are two things that I feel very passionately about, and so I do think that I would be super able to argue these two topics because I feel strongly about them. Environmental activism, that's something that's super important to me. And when I think about things that I'd be willing to argue about, and maybe things that people don't know enough about, there's a specific topic that's super relevant to me right now. And that is my argument for why you should care about honeybees. Oh my God, nothing's been typing. Why you should care about honeybees. Right? That is something, oh my goodness. That is something that's relevant and important to me. I could make that argument because honeybees are important to the entire world, and that is something that I don't think enough people know about, and that would make a great argumentative essay to inform your reader about something that they didn't know they should care about. Social justice activism, you guys know good and well that this is something that I cannot stop talking about because of the social justice unit. So, when I think about social justice activism and the things that I have included for these other two topics, things that I'm passionate about and things that people don't know enough about, I would probably start by saying that there is a connection between school suspensions and incarceration. Ooh. And incarceration rates. Okay, go up here, do a little bit of that. Hey, girl, there you go. Throw this in there. That is something that I feel not enough people acknowledge, not enough people talk about, and that is something that would be a really good argumentative essay. The last one for me is going to be my love of reading, but there is something that not enough people know about, not enough people talk about, something I feel passionately about. What would that be in terms of my interests? So I would talk about the fact that banned books or book banning unfairly targets diverse texts. Okay? This is, again, something that ties in with what I was just talking about with social justice activism. It ties in with the topics that are important to me because the people who benefit from a lot of the social justice activism are the people whose books are being banned from schools, libraries, and other communities. And so this hits a double whammy for me in terms of the things that I'm passionate about. So what I'm going to ask you guys to do is go make your own list. Create a list of things that you're passionate about. Narrow that down by taking out the things that would not necessarily be able to be supported by research. And then get more specific. I don't just care about animals. I care about adopting animals in need. Get more specific with your interests. And then just here, I have come up with 5 different topics that I would be happy to write an essay about. On Friday, you're going to be asked to go ahead and isolate what you want to write your argumentative essay about. So this is a good way for you to brainstorm those ideas and go ahead and get started. So, love you. Bye.